for now we are just going to see how to drop those rows. Before that, we will create a data frame which has empty cells. df is equal to pd.dataframe, and what we will do here is we will use a dictionary to create a data frame with empty cells. Let's check our data frame. So we've created a small data frame where column A has one missing value, column B has two missing value here. Now we will use drop na. Let's say we have this data frame, you want to drop the rows which has empty cells. You can just use the method drop na and it will return the data frame. It will drop all the rows which has empty cells, and it will return the data frame with the rows which doesn't have any missing data in them. Now if you want to do the same thing for the column, that is you want to drop the column and retain only the columns which doesn't have any missing value, you can pass in a parameter for axis. So let's check the signature here. We have an axis argument which is given 0 as default. 0 is for rows. If you want to drop columns, you would have to turn this to 1. It will drop the columns A and B and return the data frame with only the column C which has no missing values. And there are some other parameters here as well. One of these you should know is thresh parameter, and what this does is it requires that many non-NA values to be retained. So here we have our data frame. We use drop NA to drop the rows. Now let's say we put the thresh value as 2 here. So what this thresh does is it requires that many non-empty cells in a row to be retained in order to be retained. So here both 0 and 1 had at least 2 non-empty cells. So both 0 and 1 got retained and 2 got dropped and it had less than 2 non-empty cells.